To my husband, second wife. This now you have to come home. Me sick and tired right now. Me say you have to come home. Don't let me come for you. This is the last message me go send to you and tell you to come home. And if you don't report here by this weekend.
Trouble Tun Up TV. Yes, you don't know. Welcome back to Trouble Tun Up TV. You don't know this struggle is real. Yes, man, story time. You don't know. God, man, bless up to all of my viewers and subscribers. Remember, if you're not a subscriber to this channel, you better subscribe. Yes, man, click that notification bell so whenever a new video upload, you'll be notified. Yes, man, remember to keep all comments respectfully and respect each other. Yes, man, sit down and relax and listen to this young lady, wifey, sending message to husband side chick, telling her to come home. Yes, man, the struggle is real. Sit back and listen, and please remember to keep all comment respectfully. Yes, man.
To my husband, second wife. My darling, listen to me and listen to me good. To my husband, second wife. My darling, listen to me and listen to me good. Now listen to what I must say here. My days of fighting is over. Right now, I'm more rational, and I am thinking that like you can come, and I have said it to you that you come and you live in the second room because the second room is there. Nobody's not in there. You know what I mean? You can come and you live there. You know, because in a sense, it might be back and forth. If him have both of us in the same house, that would have been good. So the money could have stay in here. Because paying two light, two water, and two rent is just a little bit too much on his pocket. And we have to look out for him. We have to keep his best interest at heart, right? So if you come home now, like right now, I'm doing laundry, and then now I have to go ironing clothes, I have to clean the house, I have to do all of these things, and then I have to go cook for him come home, come get food. We could be sharing the duties. You understand what I'm saying? Cause nothing wrong with it. You don't have to worry. You're not no. You notice how I address you? To my husband's second wife. To my husband second wife. Me not call you a side chick, right? Me all off the front, you all off the back. You get what I'm saying? Monday I feel me, Tuesday I feel. You see what I'm saying? I think that is so reasonable. You understand? So we can do what we need to do, come together and just take care of this man. Me darling, me tired. I am so exhausted. And you having him on the weekends alone, it not work. But I like, instead of him coming home on Monday, you keep him till Wednesday. Send him home with fresh, clean clothes. If you don't want moving, send him do something. You cannot just be there and not doing anything and him coming back home and me have to wash, cook, clean. You understand? Ear bump. Not even ear bump. You not even need to go and say you make a squeeze out, look ear bump and twist it out or whatever. Just take off some of the work, clean up him nails, see me do something. I have to be doing everything. And you understand? And you not look good. You know, look good. And I mean, we are all adults. You understand what I say? We're a big man. No, I didn't know the time when we get up and go, oh man, not for cheat or whatever the situation is. If him feel like him can take on a second wife, that it is fine with me. You understand what I'm saying? All you need to do is come home. Me tired for plea, and every day me I try to call your phone and ignore my number. As me call your phone, and as me call your phone with him phone and you hear me on the phone, you hang up the phone like you know, say me know you did. Me know you did. Me know where you live. Me know your date of birth. You understand what I say? Me know everything about you. Me know the last time you went to the dentist, the last time you went to the gynecologist, me know everything. Me know your mother. Me know your father. Me know everything about you. And a long time you're there. You understand what I say? I know me, I say, yo, listen to me. Then I want something named poly relationship. You can't come home. You don't have to stay out there, hide out there in the wilderness. You understand what I say? You're not afraid. No, miss, you have to come home, man, because this now go good. This now go good. If you don't know for cook, me can teach you. Me can teach you how him like him stuff off, fold him socks, him drawers, iron out him clothes, steam. You know what I mean? Me alone can't sit down and do this. Me alone cannot sit down and do this. Listen to me. We will buy you a ring. We will buy you a ring. And we can split the ring with you. You get one piece and me get one piece. No problem. We've been sharing the man. We have so much in common. Hmm? Hmm? Me think I know you for come home, man. No, sir. Ladies, if you have your man and your man out there with another woman, just tell them to come. Nobody with the jealousy thing not gonna work. You get a message, the jealousy thing not gonna work. You know make no sense you're jealous. Just you know come out. You got to do something. You don't have to play on the part. You don't have to play on the part, man. Me know you don't look good, man. You don't have to play on the part, not to come home. Me don't care about nobody else, but you have to come home. You have to come home one way or another. Miss your door, one me and him have to come move you out. We have to come move you out of that house. Cause you have to come in here. Hmm? No, so you can't just sit down there and live it. Who clean up this? No, you have to come home. Me sick and tired right now. Me say you have to come home. Don't let me come for you. This is the last message me go send to you and tell you to come home. And if you don't report here by this weekend, all right, let me give you a month still, because you have to go give them notice. Say you're going to move, or 2 weeks. After the 2 weeks up, you have to come. You got to come. This is rubbish now. Me need help.
Yes, man. Trouble Tun Up TV. As you hear, as you can see, wifey mean business. Wifey want her husband side chick to come home. Yes. My viewers and subscribers, please, what is your thoughts on this one? Please remember to keep all comments respectfully. We want to keep this channel as clean as possible. Please leave your comment, man. Do you agree or do you disagree? Trouble Tun Up TV.